We gotta do something big. I mean, this is surround sound of fashion, and I'm hosting. So, I think I got it. Nate, hey, yo, man.
How do I begin to create a fashion motion picture? It has to come from within. Tapping into your inner genius ability is the sign of power. 50 Cent way. How creative can you be in the shy to reverse gunplays to runways? Get a drummer song. Do you hear the sweetness of the guitar riff? They say it takes a village to raise that child. But what saves the village from the wild? Do you hear the violin play? Surround sound of fashion. Welcome to the Allstars.